After a bullish beginning for the week, gold is traded in a narrow zone throughout the day while silver is turned bullish and it has moved towards the next critical resistance at 32.50.60 as we have seen, as we have discussed few hours back in our Asia session update. Now, what to expect? Can we expect silver to break past the critical resistances at 32.60 and gold also to break beyond 29.0608? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. When you look at gold on the early charts, it is just consolidating here with the support right now at around 28.94.95, which should be a very good support as we have discussed, and below that we may see a correction here. Right now also a struggle on the upside is seen at around 28.0608, 29.0608. So these are the levels where we have to exercise extra caution. Look at the upside here. You can find out it is getting reverted from the precise resistance in between the 20-50-100 period moving averages. Now notice also the moving averages after the crossover are trading with divergence and are staying bearish, and now this zone till towards 29.0608 is crucial for gold to break past by, and then specifically beyond 29.12 is where you can look forward to little bullishness. As long as it stays between this zone, we have to exercise extra caution here. The stochastic is at the top while the MACD after the crossover from the bottom is trading with divergence, is staying bullish. The RSI is trading with moderate bullishness here. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similar observation. Notice the formation here. See, on the downside, support levels from 28.95.94 very strong. The resistance at 29.0608 very strong as well, and thus in between these levels it is indecision, and as long as gold restricts itself within this zone, we have to exercise extra caution. Very simple here. Now notice the moving averages here have converged and these have not yet crossed. Remember, the moving averages are trading bullish since long now, and we have to wait for a clear crossover here. See, it's been long since on the 2-hour charts you've seen any crossover here in gold. So wait for it to happen and then we can expect little bearishness. Right now it is still indecisive. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD has seen a bearishness. It is converged here, not yet crossed over here. So MACD is still on the sell side right now, and the RSI is running flat. Coming to on the 3-hour charts, look at the preceding few candles, precise resistance from the 20 period here, higher lows and higher highs here. Yes, the resistance at around 29.06, 29.8, 29.10, 12 are going to remain critical resistances for here for gold to break past by. A move beyond 29.12, it is not going to look back down again, and it is going to move towards 29.20 plus levels. So wait for a breakout. Right now I will say it is neither bullish nor bearish as of now. If you look at the stochastic, this is trying to rise while the MACD right now is trading bearish. It is trying to converge, though not yet crossed over. And till the time it crosses over, we should not be treating this as bullish. It is right now on the sell side. RSI is flat. Coming to 4. Now look at 4-hour charts closely. See, the preceding three candles comes with higher highs, and preceding 2 candles comes with increasing body size. Increasing body size is a sign of increasing bearishness. And now if it breaks here on the downside, specifically a move beyond 29.95.94 is where you 28.95.94 is where you can expect slight bearishness to prevail, and below which we can expect the next move to take it towards 28.88, 84 and 80. Remember, 28.80 is the level below which you can say now the bears are taking over, and then we can look forward to a greater correction in gold prices. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising here. The MACD right now is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is running flat here. Coming now, look at the daily chart. See, first of all, a greater red candle was seen here towards the last trading session last week. Today it is started on a flat note and it has started to rise from here. Now notice one thing here, that prices are still trading with divergence from the 20 period. That is the first observation here. The next observation here, it is delivering higher lows here. So see, first thing is gold price has to turn red. It has to trade below 28.80, 28.78 levels. If 28.80, 28.78 is taken today, you can look forward to a greater correction in gold prices. What we are looking at, 28.72, 28.60, and in fact 28.50-40 levels. Yes, if it trades below 28.80-78 today, we are looking forward to a greater correction in gold prices. Be mindful of this. What is this first red candle? And today we can see a second red candle which can take it towards the 20 period moving average. Right now the gold prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period, which calls for it to converge very. Now the second observation here is the stochastic is looking down, and look at MACD. If you look at MACD, it has seen a very strong rise for multiple weeks and it has just crossed over. This crossover is very important. See, whenever we have seen such crossover from the top, we have seen a sharp price correction. And now after a good long retracement, it has crossed over here. This is not a good sign for the bulls. Very clear, this is not a very good sign for the bulls. And this indicates that the prices might start correcting from here. Yes, the prices might trade bearish. Now, imagine if it has to continue with the trend, gold price now has to trade below 28.8078 levels, and in fact it has to move further low. How low it can move? See, below 28.8078, ideally 28.60 and 28.40 are the two levels which it would like to achieve soon. If not today, then in near future. And thus here at today is going to decide the direction for gold for the near future. And thus the levels here till towards 28.80 are going to remain very critical for gold for the day. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. So now before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, first thing is where to buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you see gold trading above 290608 zone, and if gold prices breaks beyond 290608, the nearby resistances are going to be, see, or rather I will see the resistances are very nearby here on the upside: 2910, 2912, 2914. Three levels here which gold needs to break. If and only if gold prices trades above 2940, you can say that the bulls are back in action and you can look forward to a rise towards 29 2022, and beyond that you can expect a greater rise which is going to take the prices all the way towards 2940. I do not see that happening, but yes, these are markets. The momentum gold is showing is not very much aggressively bearish here. You can say that the bulls are still not in charge, but once it breaks beyond 2914, you can definitely say that the bulls are taking charge here. While on the downside now, which I am looking forward to, I will recommend a selling entry now at 28.94.95 levels. Expect 28.88.90 first, 28.84.82 second, 28.78 third. If it breaks below 28.78, stay short from there. Yes, if it trades below 28.78, stay short for 28.72, 28.62, 64, and below that 28.50 and 28.40 levels should be there very soon. If not today, possibly these levels are going to be there in this week itself. Right now, I will say it is early to conclude, and hence let it break the supports here on the downside in order to confirm the trend. So take your positions accordingly. Let's move to, see, silver on the early charts has moved towards the next resistance zone at 32.50.60. A very important point to note, it has failed to break beyond 32.50.60, which is definitely a very critical resistance zone for silver now. So any move beyond 32.60 is a confirmation of further rise towards 32.85, 33.10 and 33.40 levels, which right now I think silver is struggling to do so. If you notice the formation drop, retracement, and if it starts to drop, I will wait for it to now trade below $32 levels. Below $32 levels and below 31.80 is where you can say silver will turn bearish. Else it is trading sideways and it might stay in a zone. The stochastic overbought here. MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness as of now, and it has lot much of scope on the upside available. RSI comfortably placed here. Coming to two, on the 2 hour charts, notice the last few candles. You can find out after this good drop, a retracement, flat top, then a drop here, single bearish candle, then a retracement, and again the flat top here, slightly higher highs. 32.50.60 indeed is a very good resistance on the upside, and now it is trying to take a dip. Now this candle and this candle can be symmetrical here, which means this could be a bearish move which it would like to show, and the prices might try to move towards $32 levels possibly. If you look at the stock ISIC, this is rising. The MACD right now is trading bearish. It is not yet converged or crossover. The RSI is also right now trying to show slight bearishness. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, if you look at, see a double top is formed. It is trying to erase the gains from the preceding candle. Possibly once it trades below 3230, we can expect slight bearishness from there. Though I can see a very good support here on the downside tilt towards $32 levels, and hence I'll not be treating silver as bearish as long as 32 is respected. Below 32, certainly we can see the next move towards 3180, and if at all it trades below 3180, you can say now the bears might try to take over from there, and then you can look forward to 3140.50 as the next support zone. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD on the 3 hour charts is right now trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also looking downwards. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See green, red, green, and the current one could be red. I will definitely watch out how it behaves till towards 3220 and then towards 32, below which you can say now this is the reversal, because see once it trades below 3220 and 32, I can see more bearish candles coming in from here, and then possibly we can see something like that where prices might try to trade lower here. But right now it is too early to conclude with the trend, because see a one reversal candle and one single move above 3260 should make the prices again go green. Stochastic rising. MACD right now is trading bearish. The RSI is right now looking downward. Signs are not very much supportive for further bullishness. And on the daily charts, notice the formation here. See, this could still confirm a reversal. This metal prices, the silver price can still go and trade in red. But my only observation here is, see, first thing is silver has taken the support here, though it has seen a very good rise and it has retraced. So now after the retracement, it possibly is trying to recover, and now a move beyond 3260 is the confirmation of further bullishness here. As long as 3260 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as silver as bullish for the day. Now notice the beginning of the day, it has started with lower low, which also indicates inherent bearishness to take a direction here. And now considering this, it appears, but let's also have a look at the indicator. See the stochastic looking down. MACD has retraced good enough and it is ready for a crossover, it appears, though it is not yet crossed over yet. RSI is comfortably placed. So looking at this, what I will recommend when you see the higher price, because those who want to take a little risk, for them it is only for them, because see this is silver, it will reverse in a single candle, and thus you can take a little risk if you are selling at 3230. When you see the higher price below 3230, you can take a sell. But again, 3215, $32 levels are going to be the prime support here, and once it trades below 32 is where you can expect the bearishness to prevail, and then we can look forward to 3180 and in fact 3150-40 zone as the next support levels. It appears it is going to be difficult here for gold to take silver to take a such a dip. On the upside now, a buying entry I will only recommend once you see it staying above 3250-60 zone. That is the only zone above which silver will confirm the bullish trend here. Yes, if and only if it trades above 3250 and 3260 levels. Till then you have to wait, because these are going to remain greater resistances. Once it stays above 3260, you can stay bullish. 3280-85, 3310 and 3340 levels should be there very, very soon. Thus, take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead.